Congrats on the win, coach. Your team came out in the second half for a different purpose and different energy. What did you say today?
I mean, we weren't doing what we were supposed to do in the first half. They were pressing us, they were hustling us, and we didn't match their energy. And we had to change that. We spoke about how important this means not only to the team but also the community. And that's a fans pay the money to come and see, and we just had to put on a better show. It wasn't fair to the spectators, and we lift that. And we know that once we come out and match that energy and also match them physically, we would have been in the game, And we had to make some adjustments. We were playing better with the bars out of the back. I thought we weren't dealing with how the press us out of and the surface didn't contribute to some of the things that we want to do. So
Tabler, take it back.
Thankfully, we managed to fix those situations in the second half. We managed to get 3 points there.
2-1 down at halftime, and then right as you come out 3-1 now. Surely, coach, what were you thinking at that moment? Do you think you could have come away with such a resounding victory? I mean, 5 goals, 4 goals alone in the second half.
I mean, never say that attitude and mentality that we have. We know that we just wanted. There was still a lot of time in the game. So although they were 3-1 up, we didn't panic. We just know that we had to do what we had to do. And all we needed was 1 goal. The adrenaline, the momentum, we just needed that. And we'll make use of that energy and adrenaline in that moment and manage to equalize and then go in front,
4 goals is remarkable though, coach, in 1 half. Do you think that the fans have a part to play in it, and how much do you think do they have though?
For sure. I mean, they know, as I said, mentioned before, they know how important this is to the community and to the fans, and they needed it. So West Kingston Derby, they defeated us 2 times last season. We want to, and this was part of our plan at the start of the season. There are certain things that we just have to return, and in order for us to challenge for the championship, these are performances that we have to come and perform, and show our method and our strength and ability.
Warner Brown with a hat-trick and also getting a call-up to the national squad. Could his confidence be any high at the moment?
I mean, I'm so happy for him. It's good. Managing to score 3 goals tonight, and then also in front of the national coach. So, I mean, that's awesome. And we just want to wish them all the best in the upcoming games. Hope they get some minutes and hope they perform and continue to perform and be a mainstay in the national squad.
A number of key moments in the game, coach, but let's start from the first half. Joel Jones gave away the ball that led to the first goal for Tivoli, but then he responded by finding the equalizer, and we could tell from his body language how happy he was to be able to contribute to get the team back in the game. And then from there, it was a keen tussle. Tivoli took control of the game, you got back into it. It speaks to the mental aspect of the game and how the boys responded in that respect, and that is something obviously you'd have worked on and we would appreciate that they were able to deliver for you tonight.
Yeah, for sure, and it's also important as a staff that we can't panic. Once we have to make sure that our energy, they'll feed off our energy and match it. Because once we had to put in any panic, and then that would have probably filtered down onto the players. But we were always positive and we spoke about just be competitive. Get a goal back, and once we get a goal back, we were settled. And we know that it's difficult to match us running, and I think we're fitter than most teams. And the way they press us, we know that they put in us, and that's something that we spoke about as well. And that's why it was also important that we have some good, fresh, experienced depth coming off the bench to kind of put them on the pitch.
Fabian Reid, he came off the bench, he impacted the game in a big way, and then he got that icing on the cake for you tonight. We can't speak too much about his contribution to the club as a whole over the years.
Yeah, for sure, he has been fantastic. And everyone who came off the bench tonight made an impact, huge impact. And I just want to commend them, the way they responded to our halftime talk, and make sure that we get 3 points in.
Yes, coach, as I said mentioned earlier, it's a big derby. It's a big performance coming from behind the way they did and won the game tonight. Just tell me how much of a boost is given now moving forward.
I mean, we'll see. It's difficult to say. I'm happy that we win. Let them enjoy it for tonight. back to the training ground tomorrow and get ready. And we'll have a few days to work and to get ready for the next game. It's a league. There's so many games left to go. So as quickly we have to put this behind us and focus on the other teams that we have to play.
But certainly the 3 points, very important at this stage with points jumping all around you guys and team picking up points, as you know. That's very important at this stage to get the 3 points.
For sure, we wanted to get back in second position. That's very important. We managed to do that, so happy.
You have a few days before your next match. How do you utilize the time that you have going over the next week or so?
There are some things that we met as a staff and outlined some things that we have to work on. Every game represents a different scenario, situation that we always take note of what we need to do. All the opposition that we play, we are not playing in that, so we look back at our notes, look back at clippings and some things that we have to fix. So those are some of the things that we're going to work on this week and get ready for our next opposition.
On a personal level, coach, this is your second year at Arnett, second year in charge of a men's team. How much does a game like this help you to grow personally in this particular space?
I mean, I learn from every single game. There's always, I'm a student of the game. I don't think I know it. I don't know it for sure. And I continue to learn, and I mean, experience, you can buy experience at the supermarket. It's something that you learn on the job. And once you continue to improve, you get better at it. I'm passionate and serious about what I do. And I continue to work hard. I have a good staff around me, good support. This is my key man, go-to man, Mr. Marshall. We discuss everything all the while, and he provides good advice, good support, and again, thanks.
All right, coach. Go